Number one, Sant represents a safe haven for both the young and the mature alike. It is a place, a gathering place, la cour de la communauté, and the heart of the community. Not only a gathering place, but also le cœur de la communauté. As far as the relationship that the district has with Sant, look, it's a great relationship, a partnership that has lasted 10 years. Specifically, its champion, Gypsy Metellus, who serves not only on the Superintendent's Business Advisory Council, but also is an active member in the Edison Advisory Board that has seen Edison Senior High School, the heart of the educational community in Little Haiti, grow from an F to a C in a single year, with a 20% miraculous improvement in graduation rates. Look, it is clear to us that Miami-Dade is the most diverse city in America. It is clear to us also that this community is strong because of its diversity. One very special part of our community is the Haitian American community. And Sant has given that community a voice, has added to its strength, has added to its beauty, has added to its political representation and its community involvement.
Honestly, I was surprised to hear that Sant had only been in the community for 10 years because in my own mind it goes way, way back. And I've been in this community twice and then some length this time, but it seems to me that Sant has sort of been with us forever. That's a wonderful thing. It's a great thing to say about an organization because it is that deeply embedded in this community. I think Sant is an extraordinary institution with a special place clearly for the people of Haiti and Haitian Americans, but it has a place in my own soul and heart, and I think it has a great place in the soul and heart of this community.
The evolution of services in the community was reaching a point where there was no longer enough entrant funds to accommodate the needs of all the centers, and we needed a new vision. We needed people that can come with some aggressive way to not only grasp the scope of emerging needs, but also develop projects that can deal with those needs. And it was the philosophy and the mission of the Sant.
Sant has so many qualities and have provided so many different services in our community. The city of North Miami and its residents have benefited a lot from the free tax services that are being provided by Sant.
We at the Children's Trust are very, very proud of our partnership with Sant. We have seen it grow over the last 10 years. We have seen its performance on its contracts, which have been excellent. It provides a life link to newly arrived immigrants. It provides through its TV programs news and information which helps to keep the Haitian community aware, and then of course awareness of issues and things that affect the Haitian community become important in empowering the Haitian community to take action to benefit the entire community.
Moi, t'ai toujours suivi Sant dans la télévision. Le plus souvent, ils sont prennent. Même t'es content d'avoir pile bonne information là-dedans, que m'pas jamais penser que m't'a bien penser vite sans Sant. Mais information m't'es content de yo t'es très positif pour moi, que m't'ai gagné en pratique. Et que m'ta souhaité que la communauté haïtienne prend ça au cœur pour y venir ici à venir prendre programme parenting ça surtout très important pour eux avec ti moun yo qui a perdu dans l'area et que Sant nan bayol gratis et que m'ta souhaité que yo prend ça à cœur pour y venir prendre ici à que staff là très courtois pour l'aider avec.
Et c'est Sant là qui règle problème on a pas mettre pour moi. Il faut me dire depuis 3 jours après yo lay off moi c'est la Sant là courir. Et c'est la Sant là qui règle toute bagarre ça pour moi. Chaque fois pour me venir clean, c'est la Sant là me venir.
Moi j'ai 4 ans depuis m'a marché dans Sant là. Au commencement, c'était affaire de travail qu'on a occupé. Et après, je venu pas de café citizen et puis je venu dans Sant là. Pendant que je venu dans Sant là, que régler toute bagaille pour moi. c'est là que je l'école, je prends coup tout bagay là, juste moi arrivé, je gagne citizenship moi qu'on y a, que veut dire là moi satisfait en pile de centre là parce que gagne pile bagay m'était besoin régler, me pas ka régler, c'est à cause de centre là que me régler tout bagay. Et l'aime venir tout le monde bien recevoir moi, il toujours bon accueil, ouais, que moi satisfait en pile de centre là.
Moi j'étais en Haïti avant le tremblement de terre de Timon. Mais malheureusement, il y a une dernière qui est décédée avec toute maman dans le cas là. Dernier petit là, moi rentré aux États-Unis avec lui, mais il est vraiment affecté, il est handicapé dans le bras droit, est coupé dans le tremblement de terre là. Et je viens retrouver moi comme un papa et une maman. Moi je dis que Sant là il vient sembler un éclaireur pour moi. Côté moi pas capable, moi pas trouver qui chemin pour me passer pour me commencer par moi aux États-Unis et moi rencontrer avec eux et moi poser problème là et ils étaient là avec moi. Mais c'est plus gros événement que moi joindre, c'est que moi joindre une catégorie de monde, une catégorie de haïtiens qui là pour aider et ils pas demandé rien en retour.
And on behalf of all of us at the Herald, I'd like to say congratulations to St. La Haitian Neighborhood Center for being a leader, a resource, and an advocate for the Haitian community in South Florida. We support your mission of strengthening the Haitian community by fulfilling our mission to be the most credible and dynamic source of information for all South Florida communities.
This is such a pleasure to be able to greet you and to give hearty congratulations to Sant La on their 10th anniversary. Miss Gypsy Metellus, you have been an example of greatness in our community. The job you have done is just tremendous, and I want to congratulate you. The way you help our people with tax preparation, healthcare services, financial literacy, citizenship classes, and all of the language training is just commendable.
We've worked particularly closely together to bring the Prosperity Campaign to Little Haiti. That's a combination of public benefits, free tax preparation, financial education to improve the standard of living. Catalyst Miami, Human Services Coalition, so proud to have been a partner. You have done so much to bring a sense of pride, dignity, respect to the Haitian American community and to call attention to the needs of this community.
Here, people get counsel, they get advice, they get references, and just an extraordinary amount of kindness. I have a lot of friends who've worked at Sant La. I have friends who've come to Sant La. So I know that you're doing exceptional work.
I think that I have somewhat of a unique perspective on Sant La. Not only was I one of the members of the founding board of directors as this baby was being conceived by a few visionaries in our community, but in addition to being part of that initial board of directors, I became a member of the staff. And the baby grew very, very rapidly, exceeded the expectations of most in terms of the leadership role it played in the community. In my new capacity at the Lambie Fund of Haiti, I was constantly asked again for information about the Haitian community in Miami, the diaspora community, and it was always with honor and with great confidence that I would refer people, researchers, students, journalists to Sant La, because I knew without a doubt that not only would they be treated with respect, but they would also get the service, the information that they needed. So kudos again to the staff, kudos to the board of Sant La, and kudos to Gypsy Metellus.
Here's to your next 10 years.
Good luck to everyone. May you be around for a long, long time. And may your budget grow exponentially so that you can help meet the need of the residents of the community. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Merci.
Thank you.
Thank you to Gypsy. Thank you to the entire staff and members of Sant La.
Great work.